Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now execute code 1 to generate the error and observe the outcome. Now, here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Do take a moment to pause the video to understand the explanation. It's time to mend the code and check the produced result. And presto, the code works perfectly and our output is just what we anticipated. The bug is no more. We've reached the end of today's episode. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more coding solution videos. Stay passionate, never stop learning, and enjoy your coding journey.